For my digital collaboration group over mobile learning, I chose to do my research over the impact of iPad usage in classrooms. And a few of the things I picked up on from my research is that it's crucial to integrate iPads with a purpose. It's really important if you're going to use these that they are aligned with your curriculum, so they actually are being used with a purpose behind it, because anything else or anything less will not be successful. There are several free apps to support student learning across a variety of subjects, and integrating iPads appropriately is the beginning of the process to prepare students for the technological future that they're going to end up facing very soon. So, some of the benefits I came across while doing my research is iPads can give you immediate feedback and all class participation, smoother communication, transmission of materials between the students and the teachers. Any poll you create, any question, any type of homework assignment or quiz that they do on the iPads, they're graded right then and there immediately. They get those results as soon as they push that turn in button, and there it is. They no longer have to wait until the next day or even the day after before they're all graded for them to see their scores. Simplify the collection, retention of the materials. There's no more going around the room and having to pick up assignment by assignment. If you're going to integrate the iPads, students can't claim that they lost it. They can't claim that they never got it, or they left it at home. There's just no excuse. It's always there electronically at all times. There are numerous resources for anything you can imagine, literally for math, ELA, science, history, you name it. There are apps to support learning. Mobility, students can take the iPads anywhere. They're light, they're compact, they're really easy to carry around. And you can also use AirPlay with these under screen share. For our school, we hook these right up to our Promethean boards wirelessly, and everything I do on my iPad, they're able to see. So if I'm doing a step-by-step process with them, they're able to follow right along with me. And like most technology, they do come with a few disadvantages. A big one for iPads is typing. So extensive responses are going to be pretty difficult for the students to respond to without a keyboard. The distraction factor, students can find distractions from a pencil. Their imaginations can run wild. They'll be distracted pretty easily. But with the iPads, it's easy for them to quickly access a game and get completely off topic. That is a pretty big distraction factor. So that requires a little more monitoring from educators. Wi-Fi issues. Students that do not possess a mobile device or even have Wi-Fi at their homes will not be able to succeed with mobile learning. So extra class time might have to be given. After school hours might be have to take advantage of, or before school hours. A lot of ways around that one. Expenses. They are not cheap devices to keep up to date, because as we know, technology after a while starts to fail us, so it's important to keep updating, and that's expensive. But they could also save thousands of dollars on textbooks if they chose to go to digital. So my takeaway from my collaboration group, from my collaboration learning, that mobile learning is quickly evolving in schools all across the globe. More and more classrooms are adopting this method, whether it be laptops, cell phones, iPads, or any type of tablet, and it's important to use the tools and resources for these devices that offer for your class appropriately. My role as an educator is to make sure mobile devices are being used appropriately and integrated, and not just thrown in there for fun. And as an educator, my iPads can reach out to students with a variety of learning abilities, and it's important to try and use the technology if it helps these students reach their goals. Technology kind of helps those kind of kids with different learning abilities. It levels the playing field for them. And finally, in conclusion, their iPads are light, easy to carry around. Typing can be a challenge without a keyboard, but can be used easily to type short responses to assignments. Students and educators have an abundance of resources to enrichment and reinforcement purposes. And students that typically don't like to speak out loud during class get the opportunity to voice their opinion in a safe environment monitored by educators.